Let us talk about AMC in a big picture. And of course, the last time that we have reversed it to 1 to 10 in 2023 in August, almost 1 year, 3 years from now, guys. Right now, 2026 in August, at the end of August, almost 3 years from now, when we have the reverse split, when we got the huge flush down. As you can see here from this channel, that we have to discuss right now. There is something I see critical, really critical in big picture, guys, and the trajectory toward the main squeeze level where the mega squeeze will happen. Of course, we have to discuss it in today's video. Before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And of course, remember we always do update in the pre-market for our watch list. Today we did IPST. It was one of the really good trade that we traded today before the market opened. The price was around the 6 and did really a huge jump around the 8 around the market open. So let's get right to it and discuss AMC. For AMC, as we said, guys, we've got a huge flush down after the reverse split that happened 3 years ago, 1 to 10, and the price continued to go down again. And you see, we got another seller who added their position once we got tried to actually reverse here. If you remember, guys, when we went toward the $11 and the price reverse in just a few days, almost 400% in 1 month. 400% in 1 month. So this was the last hope for a squeeze, but it died out really quickly. And then we have a little try for a squeeze here around December 2024, and here three times on in June 2025, and then we have another flush, and now the first time that we held over this white line. This is the white line I'm showing here on the channel is not just normal white line, but it is a resistant level where the short seller added their position. They added position here before the or during the reverse split back in 11 September 2023, second, third, fourth, five, six, seven, and the eighth time that we tried to break, we broke it finally after, of course, the good earnings that we got in after hours in May. This has changed everything, guys, because the revenue was great and the earnings was great, and of course, the last earnings wasn't that great, but the revenue was better than expected. That's why we pulled back and reversed up again toward the $3. The good thing that we have discussed in today's video, guys, the only thing that I see difference since 3 years ago is this reaction after the good earnings fundamentally and after the technical level that we held over this crossroad. You see, this crossroad is a really critical zone. Once we went toward the 160 or 170 and we bounced from this white line and we reversed and did the double top around the $3. This is not normal, guys. This is a first line of confirming that we started to reverse from this bearish channel. So how are we going to confirm that we're going to have a reversal up toward the $11 and do another 350%? This is not coincidence, guys, because we already did 350% back here on April 2024, but we got rejected with this huge wick. For now, from the $3 until the 11 is 350% again of jump. So for this time is different than the last time here because we not gonna have, or hopefully we're not gonna have a huge wick in few days. Hopefully we're gonna have slow reaction with good fundamental moves that gonna happen in this period, and then jumping or breaking the 1120 in few days after we be over the $5 for few days and consolidating over the $5.55, then breaking the 1120, then go higher again over the 35 level. Okay, so this is the trajectory in the big picture for AMC is breaking the $3 right now and then go toward the 55, holding over the 55, and eventually going toward the 11. Many of you asking like when what's the time span for this reaction and what's gonna happen. The most important thing is don't ask about the time span, but ask about of course, the breakout or seeing the breakout around the 3 and the 5. And of course, holding over this crossroad. Okay, this is what we have to worry about because those are the things that we can of course, control. The rest we can control the timing or the when. This is it's outside our control because, of course, we have a lot of factors come to play: fundamental, technical, buyers, sellers. Those are the things that we actually can control. The things that we control is from the technical, and seeing that AMC holding over this level or this technical level will confirm that we are on the good right track to go and squeeze 350%, hopefully, toward the main squeeze zone, as you can see here from this white blue line around the 1141 to be precise. But now we have to worry about the $3, and of course after that the $5.55 to confirm the mega squeeze toward the 1141. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below if you agree with me about this reversal zone, and of course the main reversal that happened. We are on the bullish reversal. Is AMC is preparing for squeeze and go toward the 5 and the 11 or not? Let me know in the comment section below. And of course, see you all back by tomorrow, 15 minutes before the market open, to discuss AMC in depth and other stuff. Thank you for watching, everybody.